In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate animations like Dan Koe within seconds using our new model at Motion Vid AI. Now, motion graphics are taking over the internet, and people like Dan Koe have used these animations and motion graphics to generate millions of dollars and millions of followers. Now, before, these animations took a lot of time to create, but Motion Vid AI just released a new model called Miltos AI V3 that you can now use to generate these motion VFX within seconds. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first we open up motionvid.ai, and here you can for free generate these animations. So as you can see here, you just want to type out the animation that you want to create. But in order to make some animations like Dan Koe, we're going to go to Pinterest and we're going to find some animations like him. So this one is, for example, an animation that looks like a Dan Koe animation. Now this one is quite complex, but we'll see if Motion Vid AI can generate this. So we can make a screenshot and then attach it. So what I'm going to do now is make a screenshot. And then I'm just going to upload that to Motion Vid AI. And I want to upload it as a reference image because the additional images are images that the AI will take and animate into your videos. But we don't have one like this now, so we're just going to use reference image. Alright, so now it's uploading the reference image. And now that it's uploaded, I'm just going to click done. I'm just going to write out that I want an animation. So please generate an animation like or identical to the image attached as a reference. Alright, so now that I've prompted it, we can click on enhance prompt, but we can also just create the video. Now, because this is quite a simple prompt, we will just click on create video, and now it will create. So now it will take you to the creation page, say ready to generate, and now it's processing. So now it's actually creating the animation. Now once the animation is done, it will give you a new title. Alright, so now that the animation is done, we're going to play it, and we will see if it actually also understood what it needed to animate, because that is the difficult thing for an AI to know, right? So with this new model, let's see how it works. And it did exactly what I wanted. So what we can do now as well is make it a portrait. As you can see, now we have the perfect animation for a short video or for TikTok, for example. And usually this would take a lot of time. So let's switch back now. What we can do now, for example, is we can say, because it animates in all of the circles at once, please animate in each circle at a time. Make the animation. I think it will figure it out. So let's do that. Then if it's too slow doing each circle at a time, we will just change it. But now in the meantime, the cool thing is that we can go and generate new videos. Alright, so now let's just describe an image or an animation, and then we will see what it creates. So let's say, please make an animation in Dan Koe style, which is white on black, with glowing lines, with glowing white. And okay, make it have a infinity symbol animating in on the top, and two circles animating in on the bottom. Make it about life having no limitations except for the ones you make. And then what we can do is we can say, please also animate a line in between. So now let's click on create video, and now we'll see what it generates. So let's go back to the previous one first. So as you can see, now it did that. So now I think it works a bit better. So now, as you can see, it did exactly what I wanted. So that works a bit better. I like that. So now we can go with this. For example, we can make it a portrait. then we can just export it, download it and use it for a video. But now what we can also do is just change the text if we want to. So that's really cool. Alright, so this one with the infinity symbol and the circles is finished now as well. So let's go play it. This is really nice. Perfect, and we can watch it also in portrait. Let's see, we might have to speed it up a bit so we can ask it to speed up certain things. It's really nice how it animates out as well. Let's see if it animated this out as well. Yeah, perfect. The only thing I would do is now I would speed up certain parts, so I would ask it to do that. But apart from that, this one is perfect. So now let's have it generate one more. Make an animation about mindful habits and make title, add the title mindful habits, and then animate a big circle in with dots, circle with small circle dots along the circle line, and at the end add mindful habits next to each dot. Now let's click on enhance prompt. It will enhance the prompt now. And now what we can do is we can say make the style white on black and make the white glow. So let's click on create video, and now it will start to generate. And in the meantime, I also want to show you that you can actually also access templates. So as you can see, there's a lot of templates that you can choose from, and then you can go from there. So for example, here there's a really cool one animating in timelines. So you can choose the timelines that you want. Maybe you can also add images on those timelines, stuff like this. You have newspaper animations that you can generate. This is really cool. But of course, there's also ones like this one, for example, is similar to the ones that we generated, as well as these pyramid graphs. This one, let's check these out. It's really cool. So all of these are very useful to showcase data or concepts or listicles. Let's look. So this one's really cool too. Really cool animation graph. And then we also have listicles, so those are very useful too for showcasing certain ideas or what your video will be about. So yeah, there's a lot of animations to choose from, and then you can just go in and change the style. So if you want the Dan Koe style, you just save the style, which is white on black with a glow animation, and you just use that. But yeah, now this one generated as well, so let's check it out. So we can, for example, start from there. Let's see if it also works in portrait. Yeah, it works in portrait as well. So now we can just put a voiceover. Let's say, for example, we made a Twitter post that did really well, or an X post. Then we can just take that and we can make a animation from it. And then we can put it online and grow even more. We can put it on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram Shorts. And we can also then use these animations that we make for our long form videos. Now I know agencies that actually charge around $3,000 or $2,000 for 4 animations like this. So you can imagine how much you can earn doing this now that this new model is out. And there's nothing like it out there. So go check it out, go create animations, go get clients that want these animations, and go earn some money. We also have videos where you can see how you can generate videos like Johnny Harris, like Vox and Imangadzi with Motion Vid AI. Check out the templates, you can try it out for free, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.